Namaskar, dear parents. First of all, on behalf of the entire Shieling Heights School family, I'd like to wish all the spectacular and outstanding mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Ladies, you are legends. You're an absolute epitome of unconditional love, selflessness, and perfection. You truly justify the lines by the famous author Sir Rudyard Kipling that God could not be everywhere, so He created mothers. And the superheroes that you have literally proved to be during this lockdown period makes me dedicate this poem to all you wonderful mothers out there. For all your patience day to day, for every tear you wipe away, for little hands you gently hold, for all the stories that you have told, for your consoling, tender heart, and all the wisdom that you impart, for silly songs and quiet times, for peaceful naps and nursery rhymes, for teaching children how to share, for being kind and being fair, for every shoe that you have tied, for your thoughtful words that have instilled pride, for being there in place of us. Here's wishing all of you a very happy Mother's Day from all of us. Well, with this, I hope you will enjoy the token of love and affection which our little ones have prepared for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy yourselves.
Hello, my dear parents and my lovely babies. Hope you all are in good health. Mother's Day is the perfect time when you can show your love and gratitude towards your lovely mother. Mother is the symbol of love which she selflessly showers upon her children. It was so eye-warming to see my little ones pampering their mothers by preparing delicious dishes, performing beautiful dance, singing melodious song, and making lovely Mother's Day card for their mothers. This week marked the unconditional love between the mother and her child. Mother is the one who keeps you showing the right path in your life. She is the one who always works to make you happy. So children, love your mother, honor her, and respect her love, because no one in the world will love you the way your mother loves you. So here's wishing all the lovely mommies a happy Mother's Day. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, wishing all of you a very happy Mother's Day. On this very special day, I just want to say that God cannot be everywhere, so He created mothers so that they can love us, they can protect us, basically they can be our shield. No bond is bigger than a child and a mother, and it is eternal as well. So wishing everyone a very, very, very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
If love is as sweet as a flower, then all the mothers are sweet flowers of love. As we all know that a mother can take place of anybody in this world, but no one can take place of a mother. Happy Mother's Day to the beautiful, beautiful mommies out there.
Wishing all the supermoms a very happy Mother's Day. Come on, let's see how our children have made this day special for their mommies.
Hello friends, I am going to make banana cake for my mom.
First we pour butter. This is 100 grams.
Now I pour 100 grams of butter. First I will pour a whole cup of sugar first.
Hold on.
This cake I made for my mama. कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ।
Hello everyone. Today we are going to play an activity in which I will play the role of Gurvansh and she will play the role of
Mama,
Mama. So let's start the activity.
bring your milk, Gurvansh.
No Mama, I don't like to drink milk. I don't like it at all.
It is good for your health.
No, but I don't want to drink milk.
I will give you chocolates if you finish the drink milk.
Okay.
This is for Mama. I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ये जो दुनिया है, ये सब कांटों का तू फिल्मवारी है। लव यू मम्मा। Song dedicated to my mother. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, ओ माँ, माँ। guys, my name is Samaya. I'm 5 years old. आपको तो पता ही है, आपको पता है कि मैं बिस्किट्स बनाने जा रही हूँ, क्रम्स वाली। मैंने चीज रेड करी है,
रेड बेल पेपर,
रेड बेल पेपर, कैप्सिकम,